Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to make canvas board for painting at home. For this you require a buckram or canvas paper which is available at any stationery or tailoring shop at a very reasonable price. Also you need a cardboard which is stiff and I am using here a old notebook's cover and fevicol. So here we start. Use the plain surface of the cardboard so that it will be easy for painting.
It's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. It's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Now stick a plain paper on the back side to fix the board.
It's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
So here is our canvas board ready.
It's hard to breathe, but that's alright.
So here are some of my old paintings which I have made on homemade canvas boards, and actually these are not canvas boards. I have made it from paper cloth bag, and this one is made with a handkerchief. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share and subscribe my channel. Also comment your thoughts on this video.